Step number 9. So this is our accessories. So when you buy a patio cover, you might want some lights or even a fan. We can support that. We do provide the lights. We do not provide the fan. We do provide the hanging mechanism for the fan, but we do not provide the fan or the wiring for the fan. So you can pick that up and source that at a Home Depot or Lowe's. So if we look here, we can choose a 2 light bay, okay? We're gonna choose 2 of those because you want your layout for your electrical to be symmetrical. Then we can choose a fan. See, in the designer, you can see it represented and see how this is nice and symmetrical. You can turn on the fan if you want to. That's a nice little fun feature. Or you can turn on the lights on and off. It's nerdy stuff, but it's fun to play around with. Now, you may need on bigger covers, let's say like you have an 18-foot projection, we do support more lights. So as you're scrolling through this tab, we give you a different couple layouts and that will be represented dynamically on the patio cover. So hope that helps. See you in the next one.